Hey guys, this is a super quick DIY video showing you guys how I achieved this sweater two-piece dress or outfit. I did thrift this sweater you see here, which is the main material of the two-piece, and then I had a black sweater that I just used for a trim just to extend the skirt and the bottom of the shirt a little bit longer. So here I am deciding where I wanted to cut the sweater in half, and I did that by, obviously, I just tried it on and I found a good spot where I wanted my top to end and my skirt to begin. I'm trying on the skirt, and if you can see, it's really short, so I'm actually going to add a little bit of a trim. So I take the trim off of the black sweater, and I actually make 3 different trims. 1 for the end of the shirt and 2 for the skirt, the top and the bottom of the skirt. And you guys will see shortly once I'm done sewing it on. And it was very easy, very quick thing to do. I'm just showing you here that I'm adding the trim. So I have 3 different black trims and there you go. There's the end result. And as you can see, I did cut the crew neck into a V-neck just to open up the top. And you can see where I added the black strips or black trims, and that's pretty much it. It was really super easy. Thanks for watching. If you guys try this, leave a comment down below, comment, subscribe, and let me hear if any of you guys have tried this and how it went out. You can tag me, Instagram me. I will leave all my contact information below. Thanks for watching.